Okay. I never left though. I never left. I just got caught up. Hi guys. So I'm back with another video. I know it's been about 6 to 7 months since I last did a video, but my plan was to get some new equipment. Then I can come back with another video. Anyways, today's video is all about rice water. If you guys didn't know that you can actually put rice water on your hair, that's why you're watching this video, I guess. So rice water has very many benefits. The Yao women have used it for centuries to grow out the hair. It's very good for strengthening your hair, to soften the hair, to reduce hair fallout. So if you're even struggling with stuff like your hairline or your edges, you can even spritz a bit just along your hairline so that the hair can actually grow out stronger. So it's been a thing that's been trending for a while, and I decided to put it to the test. And so far, I think I've used it for about 8 to 9. This should be the 9th week, if I'm not wrong, the 9th week. The reason why I say this is because I've just realized that when I'm combing out my hair, I shed out less. Even when I'm detangling it, like it's made detangling so much easier to the point of I don't have to use any other detangling products. So I just use the rice water as my detangling product. That's how I end up using it each and every week. And it's not even hard to it's not a hard method. If you guys don't know how to make the rice water, I have a video right here. I'm gonna put it right here. Anyways, so basically all you have to do is soak the rice for about half an hour. Then the water that's left, that's what you're going to be using. But you leave it out for 24 hours just so that it can ferment, because it has to ferment for it to work. Then after the 24 hours, that's when you start refrigerating it. You refrigerate it so that you can stop the fermentation process. I don't know if you guys have gotten that. So each time you'll be washing your hair, you'll actually be using that rice water. It's as simple as that. Plus, rice water is also very good for the skin. It actually helps to soften the skin. It plumps it out, should I say. It plumps it out, and it has minerals, amino acids, it has ferulic acid. So all these elements are very good towards the skin. But if you're using it for your skin, of course, you can't let it stay in the refrigerator for so long. Maybe you'll have to be making a fresh batch each and every week, I guess, because it can go for 5 days. But for the hair, it goes up to 5 to 12 weeks, depending on how well you store it. So what I've realized is that my hair has become so much more easier to manage. First of all, I use the rice water to detangle the hair, so I don't even really need to use any other products to detangle my hair. And it actually really softens the hair. And for some reason, you just feel that the hair is stronger. Should I say stronger? It's stronger, yeah. My hair feels stronger, it feels softer, it doesn't fall out or break out as much. So I actually like to put some rose water into my bottle of rice water. But you can put other products, like especially oils, essential oils like peppermint oil. You can use tea tree oil, you can use sweet orange. All these oils are really good because they're beneficial towards the hair as well. Some help with dandruff, some help with luster, some help with shine, others help to strengthen the hair, but mostly it actually helps to mask the smell of the rice water, because you'll realize that it has a funky smell. Anyways, it has a funky smell, so it's like fermented rice. I don't know how to put it. It's flour, you know, it's like fermented flour. So it has a very weird smell. And you can also stay with the rice water in your hair. It doesn't hurt you. Like, you can be spritzing just a little bit into your hair every other day, because it's still beneficial. But even if you rinse it out, some traces of the rice water still remain in your hair, so they remain active in your hair. So by the end of the day, it's still working for your hair. So I just prefer to rinse it out. I normally use it like a deep conditioner, should I say. This is how I store mine. I just put it in a water bottle because it's quite a lot. You guys can see. I don't know if you can see, there's some particles down here. You guys see it? So I normally just shake it before I use it. Then I got these smaller bottles from Miniso. Just like a spray bottle. It's easier to use because I normally stay with the rice water in my hair for a while, and I don't like it when it drips. When I put too much, it drips, and I don't like that. So I just prefer to spray some of it to my hair. Just put it directly to your hands, and I guess pat it all around your hair. So we're just gonna start with this side. As you guys can see, the hair is already even getting soft. I don't know, I wish you guys could actually touch it. Then I normally just finger detangle. I was wearing a wash and go, so I hadn't combed my hair for a while. But I want to show you guys exactly what I mean. Cause okay, let me just shut up and show you guys. As you can see, my hands are just, my fingers are just sliding through. See, like, and I haven't combed my hair for about a week. I don't know how else I can prove it to you guys. But I lose very little compared to the amount that I actually used to lose before. So I'm gonna stay with it for an hour. So that's all. Then I'm gonna be wearing this. It's kind of insulated inside. I'm gonna stay with it for about an hour and a half depending. Then I'll come and show you guys after I've rinsed out my hair. First I'll show you guys how it looks before I rinse out and after I rinse out. And that's all. So I normally do this, so it kind of gives me extra heat. Then I normally actually cover it with either this, a scarf, or a t-shirt just for additional heat. I should actually just buy a heat cup. I don't know where I'm stalling. And my hair is hot. So much heat. My hair is actually so hot. This is how it looks. If you guys can see, my hand is just gliding through. It actually works. If you guys want to try a natural hair detangler, something that will soften your hair at the same time and it will still strengthen your hair, because you know, I figured your hair actually ends up growing faster when you use the rice water because you have less hair fallout or less shredding. So I think that's the secret. That's just it, because I'm telling you guys, and my hair has more body. Should I say more body? Let me just show you how it looks. So this is my hair when it's damp. Is it damp or wet? It's like almost wet, but it's not dripping. Then at the back as well. It's very soft. Like, I think you just have to try the method for yourself so that you can understand why I'm raving about it. But that's how my hair looks. This is before rinsing it out. I don't know if I should rinse it then I show you guys. Maybe I should do that. I'm gonna rinse it, then I can show you guys. When I rinse, I just normally use shampoo. Sometimes I don't even use shampoo, I just co-wash. I just use conditioner and I'm done. That's the curl pattern. You guys can see my edges.